I ate my lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. I ate my lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. I eat my lunch at 1 p.m. today. I eat my lunch at 1 p.m. today. I will eat my lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. I will eat my lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. I woke up at 7 a.m. I woke up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I went to school by bus. I went to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I will go to school by bus. I will go to school by bus. I did my homework after dinner. I did my homework after dinner. I do my homework after dinner. I do my homework after dinner. I will do my homework after dinner. I will do my homework after dinner. I studied English in the morning yesterday. I studied English in the morning yesterday. I study English in the morning today. I study English in the morning today. I will study English in the morning tomorrow. I will study English in the morning tomorrow.